expanding from side to side. So we're going to be making a loop with the ash colored string, which is backward forward knots until you reach your desired length. I'll do this twice and then I will meet you when I'm done. And today we're going to be making an Aztec bracelet. So I've done my loop and I am going to make a box knot now to make sure my loop stays together. Now I'll be making a triangle after my loop. So with our ash color string, make backward knots over our pink and white string, one backward knot over both of them. Just make backward knots over both of them, and then we'll take our white string and make a forward backward knot over our pink string. Now we'll go to our left side and take our ash color string and make one backward knot over the remaining strings. Sorry, one forward knot over the remaining strings. Then we'll take our white string, yes, and we're going to make a backward forward knot. Now we have two ash color strings in the middle. We'll take the one on the left and make two forward knots. Now on our pink string, we're going to make a forward backward knot. We'll go back to the other ash colored string and make two backward knots. Sorry, one backward knot, and then we'll make one backward forward knot. With the two white strings in the middle, make a forward knot. Then take our ash color string on the right and make a backward knot over the white string. One backward knot. Now with our white string, we are going to make a forward backward knot over our pink string on the edge. Now we're going to take our ash color string on the left and we're going to make 4 backward knots. So when we're done, our ash color string should be on the edge of the right side. We're going to use our white string to make a backward forward knot over our pink string. Now we'll take our ash colored string and make 2 backward knots. Take our 2 white strings in the middle, and with the one on the left we're going to make 3 forward knots. Now with the other white string we are going to make 2 backward knots. Now with the 2 pink strings we are going to take the one on the left and make 1 forward knot, and then one forward backward knot. And now we are going to make a backward forward knot with our other pink string, and then with the first pink string we're going to make a backward knot over our second pink string. Now we're going to use our white string to make 2 backward knots. Our white string will end up in the middle, which will be beside our, or in between our pink strings. We'll leave it there, and we're going to go to the other side and take the white string and make 3 forward knots. Now with our ash colored string we're going to make 2 forward knots, sorry. Now we're going to make a backward forward knot. This is where our pattern starts repeating from, or this is where I think you can remember that we started around this side in the beginning. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side with the ash colored string, and then you can just go back to the point where I put repeat and then watch it again if you didn't get it the first time. But that's how the pattern is repeating. This is just to show you that it's actually repeating again. Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave me a comment. Bye.